Standard deviation is a measure of dispersion or spread from the mean. You will usually just apply its formula. But here I'm going to show you how the formula is derived. First we take the mean of the data. You could try subtracting the mean from each value and adding these together. This just gives 0. This is because the positive values cancel out the negative ones. So we square the differences from the mean. This makes all of the differences positive. And we add the squares of the differences. Next, we have to compensate for differences in population size. We do this by dividing by the population size. This gives us the variance. Squaring all of the differences from the mean has had an adverse effect. Larger differences from the mean are exaggerated. So finally, we take the square root to get the standard deviation.